We are currently stuck in the longest wait in gaming history. GTA 6 is coming, but honestly, I'm done waiting. That got me thinking. With AI evolving every single day, why am I just sitting around? Why don't I just build it myself? And let's be clear, I'm not talking about making some cheap 2D infinite runner game. No, we are aiming for the real deal. Welcome to a new series where I attempt the impossible. We are rebuilding Grand Theft Auto 5 from scratch, entirely powered by artificial intelligence. We're going to build this step by step, and every story needs a protagonist. Today, we start with the legend. We are using the latest AI models to bring Franklin back to life. Let's get to work. I am using Gemini to make Franklin come alive inside a game. For the other characters like Michael and Trevor, we're using ChatGPT, Grok, and Claude. But for this, it's all Gemini. So first, I downloaded a 3D model of Franklin from Sketchfab. Then I animated the character using Mixamo. After that, I uploaded all the animation files to a GitHub repository and shared the link with Gemini. I gave it a simple prompt: create a virtual world to test if this character works. And honestly, I did not expect this result. It was really amazing, but it wasn't perfect. The very first thing you'll notice, the textures were missing. That was my mistake. I forgot to upload the files. No problem. So next, I checked the core functionality. Can it run? Can it jump? And as I expected, the jumping and walking were completely ruined. It wasn't walking, it was rotating. So in the next attempt, I uploaded all the texture images and told Gemini, fix the walking and jumping movements. And here is the result. The textures were applied perfectly, but the movements completely removed. Walking and jumping just stopped working. So I prompted Gemini again to fix it. This time, Franklin started going up and down when I pressed jump, and when I tried to walk, this happened. What is this? So I gave Gemini the animation files separately, hoping that would fix it, and this is what it gave me. At that point, I realized maybe my files have some issues, so I tried again. New character, new animations, but still, it wasn't able to make it work properly. This means I need to work more, much more, because this is exactly what I expected. This is only the beginning, and I will definitely make a GTA 5 level game using AI, no matter how many difficulties I face. Even if it takes thousands of attempts, I will do it. And if you want to join this journey, subscribe. This is just a trailer. More coming soon.